Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more bob haircut ideas. This is heavily requested. Everyone is loving the bob these days. So here we see someone getting a hair color change. So I believe she is going with the platinum bob for this particular transformation. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. She has the bottleneck bangs for this one. The hair color looks beautiful. So then we move on to our next bob haircut idea. She's going to be getting color with this one as well. Oh wow, another platinum bob. So then we see more of an angled bob with this next one, center part down the middle. Just kind of like an ombre blonde going on here. Very deep, dark roots. And then we see someone styling their bob. So I do have a couple of style videos on this channel if you want to check out more ways that you can style short hair. And if you guys want to see another video like that, please let me know in the comments or give this video a like and I'll put together another one. So the way that she's styling her bob, she has a lot of volume. She almost created like a feathered bob texture. Absolutely gorgeous. So much volume. So then we see someone doing a bit of a big chop. So she has red, grown out red colored hair. Oh, looks like she's getting an undercut bob. Very pretty. Wow, I love the way that that color looks with the haircuts. And she is still rocking her natural texture, so if she wanted to, she could wear this curly or straight. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you were, please be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.